Life shake as my breakfast for over 18.5 years now, and I still get very excited to have it every single day. If you want to know why, then here's the list. It has 18 essential vitamins and minerals. It has 3 grams of dietary fiber. 3 scoops of it has 9 grams of protein. And because it is made up of soy, which is one of the best vegetarian source of plant protein, it gives you all the 22 amino acids. If you're a vegetarian and if you do not have any kind of animal products, then you do not get all the amino acids. So this is one of the best meal replacements for vegetarians. So let's get started. So welcome back. Let me now show you how I make my shake. So we like to use soy milk. We use the unflavored one. We use the Sofit brand because it doesn't have any added sugar. So we take 125 ml of soy milk. To that I add almost 125 ml of water. So we add half soy milk and half water. You can actually have shakes in any medium. You can have it in water, you can have it in juice, you can have it in regular milk. But almost 50% of the people are lactose intolerant. So if you are lactose intolerant, try avoiding making shake in regular milk. So we first take the milk, half water and half soy milk. To that I am going to add today kulfi flavor, and we actually have 6 different flavors. We have vanilla, we have chocolate, we have mango, we have orange, we have strawberry. So today I am going to make kulfi shake, and I just love the kulfi flavor. So I am going to add 3 scoops of Formula 1. And like I said, it gives you 9 grams of protein. And many people ask me, that this does not have enough protein like the other protein shakes that are available in the market. So let me tell you that this is not a protein shake. This is a meal replacement. So you can replace any of your meals. You can replace your breakfast or your lunch or your dinner, and you can be rest assured that you get all the nutrients. So yes, it doesn't have the optimum protein. So what we do for that is we add personalized protein powder from Herbalife, and 1 scoop of it has 5 grams of protein. So you can actually personalize it according to your needs. So you can either add 1 scoop or 2 scoops depending upon how you need. So what I do is, if I have this as a pre-workout drink like early morning breakfast, then I add 1 scoop. But if I want to have it after my workout, then I add 2 scoops. So you can actually personalize it, and that's why it is called personalized protein powder. By the way, you cannot heat up the shake because all the nutrients get destroyed. So make sure that whenever you have shake, you either have it in room temperature or cold, but not warm. And protein powder. Okay, protein powder is something that you can heat it. So you can actually add it in your dal, in your chapati, in your rice or anything that you are making. उससे ना आपका taste खराब नहीं होता है किसी भी खाने का. So you can add it in anything, not just shakes. So I added the 3 scoops of Formula 1, I added 1 scoop of protein, and to that I also like to add my active fiber complex. So active fiber complex जो है, it has soluble and insoluble fiber, and it promotes regularity and your bowel movement, and it also promotes the growth of healthy bacteria. So we like to add this to our shake. It enhances the taste, and in it also makes it very, very filling. So that's it, that's the thing that I add in my shake, and now we'll blend it for 30 seconds. And many people or many women around the world, mostly women, have this mystery to be solved every day, that what should I make for breakfast tomorrow. So this is one of the best solution for them, that you don't have to think what I have to cook tomorrow. This is also best for students or working people who are on the go, who do not have time to have breakfast. So this is one of the best fast food that I know. I like to make my shake in NutriBlend because it is very, very compact. It is enough to make shake for 2 people, not messy at all. And actually you can also drink from the jar if you want to. So that's my shake, and I pour it in my Herbalife glass, Herbalife branded glass, and the breakfast is ready. One of the quickest, one of the fastest breakfasts. So cheers guys, try it and